Hi Vedanshi, how are you today?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm good too. So Vedanshi, tell us something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Vidanshi Arora. I'm an overseas consultant in Europe at iCouncil.
Okay, so Vedanshi, today we'll be discussing about European universities and Europe as a country. Okay, so which European country offer quality education at a lower cost for international students?
Okay, so there are I want to list few of the European countries having low budget. So I'll start with Malta, Latvia, Italy, Germany, Poland. So these are the countries where students can get a good education at low cost.
Okay, so like, what's the as you mentioned that these are low cost European countries. So, what is the realistic budget for studying in Europe, and are there any scholarships to ease the cost?
Yes, so I would like to answer this question in two parts. So I will start with private universities. So if a student is planning to go for private universities, then the budget will be like 7 to 10 lakhs per year. And if the student is planning for public universities, so there are some institutions they actually give the fee waiver to the students. Okay, so they give like 80 to 90% of scholarships. So apart from that, the student who is actually planning for private university needs to only arrange the finances for their living expenses, which is around 3 to 6 lakhs per year.
But what about the job opportunities? What kind of job opportunities can students expect after graduation?
Okay, so if a student is pursuing his or her graduation from European countries, then there are like few of the sectors they can get good job opportunities. As I mentioned, tech is one of them. Healthcare is also one of them because there are a lot of hospitals and health institutions there. Okay, and then tourism is also one of them. They can get good opportunities as well there, and engineering is also one of them. See, basically the top companies they want to hire engineers as well. So yeah, these are some of the areas they can get good opportunities after their bachelor's actually.
So, what's the funniest or weirdest question a student has ever asked you during counseling?
Okay. So once I was just counseling this student and he asked me कि इडली में सिर्फ पिज्जा ही मिलता है क्या खाने के लिए और कोई इंडियन फूड नहीं मिलता क्या? So this was the weirdest question I came across. Yeah.
Okay. Do people think like that? मतलब इटली में सिर्फ पिज्जा ही मिलता है क्या?
नहीं नहीं इंडियन फूड भी मिलता है बट लोगों को इटालियन पिज्जा से बहुत प्यार है so
Okay.
that's
Okay. So, if you had to describe studying in Spain using a movie title, what would it be and why?
see so there is this movie called Zindagi Milegi Dobara. So if you watch this, this movie, so they have actually explained the tourism and they have shown beautifully Spain. They have actually covered all the beautiful areas. So yeah, I would like to say that if you haven't watched Zindagi Milegi Dobara, please watch it because you will see beauties of Spain and everything there.
Okay. Um, what's the one habit from India you think will confuse foreigners the most?
I think it's bargain because every time whenever Indians go, they actually bargain a lot. So yeah, this is it.
Yeah, so in Europe, bargaining is not that common, or what?
No, it's not that common there.
Okay,
In
so
some of the areas you can do, but not always.
okay, all right. We Indians are very pro with
Yeah.
bargaining.
Yes, correct. I do agree with that.
Okay. I think what is like to wrap this session up, what is the one advice you want to give to the students?
So yeah, I just want to say, go study hard and enjoy the moment as well. If you are studying, ऐसा नहीं कि पढ़ते ही रहोगे. Just enjoy the moment. घूमो फिरो, enjoy करो because this, time is not gonna come again. So yeah, enjoy, travel, and study.
Okay, Vedanshi, it was a very good session, and I will see you next time. Thank you.
Thank you so much.